G'day, I'm Jason. Welcome back to Streetcar Culture's YouTube channel. Today, well, I'm actually in Cairns at the moment, so I came here earlier in the week and I put the call out to see if I could sort of suss out the streetcar culture, I guess. Or in our case,
Mackerel.
Yeah, yeah, I guess, yeah. The scene's definitely different to what I'm used to, but yeah, a few of the local boys reached out. We've got, what do we got here? We've got a turbo Barra.
G6E.
Yeah, G6E. I guess, you know, it's a Falcon Holden type area.
It is, mate.
Oh yeah, it's full. I'm surprised there's not a few four-wheel drives. The R33s are lifted to go through the hills.
I've got both of them.
But yeah, we've got a G6E turbo. We've got a, well, he calls it OG RX-7, but it's actually not an OG, it's a Series 3, OG Series 1. Sorry, mate.
You're right.
Sorry, mate, but you got the plate cheap. And then we've got a XR6 turbo, FG. Yep. Looks pretty spick. They all look pretty spick, to be honest. This one's a bit understated. I was telling you earlier, this one's a bit understated. He tries to fly under the radar a little bit, but it goes quite well. But yeah, we're actually just going to go for a bit of a squirt through the hills, and yeah, see what it's all about. Something a bit different for myself. I usually don't, I just like cruise the highway or something. I don't really go through the hills. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it, especially jumping back in a rotor again. It's been a little while since I've had my own RX-7, so I'm excited.
Excellent.
See some toppage, some flamage, get the port working.
There'll be a bit of that, yep.
Yeah, no, I'm excited.
We'll the tyres and see what you can do. Yep.
Yeah, so I appreciate it, lads. Thanks
Pleasure.
for taking me out, and yeah, look forward to it.
Cool. Pleasure.
Awesome.
Let's get going.
goes alright, mate.
Yeah, yeah. Might do a little flyaway, yeah.
How much power is this thing take?
408 kilowatts in the wheel.
Oh, nice.